How to turn on or turn off Encrypt Sync Data on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on security and privacy. After that, we scroll down and tap on more security settings. Then tap on enhance data protection. Now go down and tap on encrypt sync data. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on. When you turn it on, you need to enter in your Samsung password account, the account password. Okay, tap on OK and then tap on the continued. Now it says that data to encrypt your AI emoji, Bluetooth, Samsung Health, Wi-Fi, and the following device will be able to access your encrypted data. So all your device that you have signed into the same Samsung account will be able to access your encrypted data. Then tap on continued, then tap on encrypt. And that's it. It is now encrypted. If you want, you can tap on the toggle button to switch it off. When you switch it off, it will ask you to put in the account password. So put in the account password, then tap on continued. And that's it. It is now switched off. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.